Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I wish you all will be fine and healthy. So as you already read my thumbnail and know that what will be today's video, so rather further ado, let's get started. As you see, this is my phone's interface. First, we have to download Swiggy app. As you see, first I click Play Store app and then in the search bar I write Swiggy, then click on it and now it start to install. So in this meantime, I still want to tell you that today in this video I will be showing how to install plus use Swiggy app. So in the future you can know how to install it plus and how to use it. It will be easy to use, so much easy to use. So let's wait for 30 seconds to 1 minute to install it. Now the installation was completed. We have to just click on open button, and when we click on open button, we first open the Swiggy app. We can see that there are two ways to enter in this app. First, you can click on set delivery location, or second, you can click on login uh, button, and in login you have to make an account through your Gmail ID. But today I log in through set delivery location, and after entering you can see that the app automatically search our location, as you see Mahipalpur extension, and set a location based where you live. After click on confirm button, we directly enter in the app. As you see, this is the app. Now we click on search button and write some food name which we want to order. Today I wanted to eat a cake, so I write cake and see what this app show us. So as I write cake, we see lots of cakes and cake shop shops and sorry, as you see there are lots of cake shops and bakery. You can choose any of that, but I really wanted to buy a cake which was cheaper in price plus tasty and quality was good. And finally I found one cake that was black forest cake. Now time to order. After clicking on order button, we directly go into the billing page. Here see lots of thing mentioned here: price of the cake, delivery charge. You can use coupon also as per your convenience. Um, and when you apply coupon, you get some 20 30 some rupees off, so it will be really helpful. And after, you can see there are lots of things written here. Please read it carefully. There is some policy, how to order, address details, everything written on it. And you can also opt to no contact delivery, so they just come and give your food outside your door, so you don't have to contact with it. And when we proceed to pay, we see there was a cancellation policy, and in this cancellation policy they strictly mention that you can cancel within 60 seconds after confirm. Now we directly come to a payment page. You can see there are lots of payment option. You can use wallet like Paytm, PhonePe, Amazon Pay, or you can use food cards or coupons. But this food card only used for restaurant orders only, and either you use net banking, or you can choose cash on delivery. But cash on delivery is not available right now in this pandemic situation, so you have to just, you don't order cash on delivery. And there are last option also that you use debit card or your ATM card or UPI ID also. And Whatever you choose, please choose as per your convenience. Whatever you are comfortable with, choose that option. After after clicking on OK, you directly go to the billing page that your billing is confirmed, and your what was the money, everything is so this is the cake I order. And what was the cake, how was it, is it tasty or not, I will surely show you and share with you in my another video. If you like my video, then please give it a big thumbs up, like my video, um, and please subscribe to my channel. It will really help to grow my channel. Thank you to watch my video, and please subscribe to my channel for further notification. Thank you so much. That's all for today. Bye bye.